2025 na. Hindi ka na ba? Hindi pa? Bakit? Nag-overtake ka ba sa niche mo? Nakakainis! Hey guys, it's Sean, the founder of Buhay University, and welcome to my latest episode or series called Nakakainis, kung saan I will prove to you that as early as now, you can be an effective virtual assistant. And for today's episode, we're going to talk about the ninth one, which is Bookkeeping VA. If you think this is for you, but wait, if you haven't been to our Notion page yet, please pause this video, go to the description box, click and save that link because the link of the previous episodes are there. The dates of the future episodes are there at the same time. And the links of the future or of the free resources are there at the same time, and everything there are for you. So please take your time, click that link and save that link at the same time. Thank you so much. Now, going back, let's talk about Bookkeeping VA and what is the job description or the role of a Bookkeeping VA. So a Bookkeeping VA manages a business financial records, okay, usually in collaboration with their accountant. So there's an accounting VA, and you are going to take care of the records, the inflow and outflow of the specific business. So what are your usual tasks on a day-to-day basis? Okay, so first is categorizing transactions, second is bank reconciliation, third is generating income and expense reports, and fourth is invoicing and billing follow-ups. So usually the tools that they use here are QuickBooks, Xero, I don't know, Wave, Google Sheets, FreshBooks, Google Workspace, I mean like the whole thing, Google Mail, Calendar, Sheets, Docs, that's Google Workspace. And what are the experiences needed? You don't need to be a graduate of accounting to do this, guys. As long as you have strong math and finance background. But right now, nowadays, there are formulas, so that's gonna be easier. If you have bookkeeping or accounting work experience, again, you don't need a degree. Just bookkeeping or accounting work experience is already fine. And you must be detail-oriented and trustworthy with sensitive data. Of course, everything here is confidential. So integrity is very, very important. Of course, screen to details at the same time, very important too. So what were the previous roles of bookkeeping VAs before? So they were bookkeepers, accounting assistants, finance staff, payroll, or auditing officers. So these were their previous roles in the corporate before becoming a bookkeeping VA. And if your hobbies are budgeting, expense tracking, spreadsheet building, and you're doing it on your own with your personal expenses or personal finances, then this role is for you. And if this is for you, comment your future booking VA in the comment section, and who knows, maybe you can be a bookkeeping VA a week or a month from now. Thank you and good luck, everyone. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!